Once upon a time, in the frigid mountaintops of the Himalayas, lived a creature so foul and abominable that no man dared ascend the mountain. Legends of this creature passed from generation to generation, lured only the strongest and bravest men to search for the beast. And yet, as fate would have it, no man has returned from the mountain to tell the tale. Not long ago, a couple of college students heard the legend of the snow Wookie and decided to see if it was true. As they climbed, they became tired, and they had to make camp for the day. Their morale was low, so to lift their spirits, one of the boys started to beatbox. The others jumped right in, freestyling and leaning back and forth with the beat. Within minutes, they heard a terrible howl that sent chills down their spine. They looked up, and before their very eyes was the snow Wookie. He made a great jump down the mountain face and landed before their tent. The boys were paralyzed by fear, and no one knows exactly what happened that night. But the legend has it that the snow Wookie named Yeti began to beatbox louder and better than any man could, and after spending the night with these college students, he was so happy that he followed them back down the mountain to Athens.
Listen up, fellas. We're back. Just got back from Mount Everest. It was insane. It was sick.
Yeah.
You're not gonna believe this though. We brought back a friend.
Okay.
No way.
He's a local, if you will. We'll just introduce you to him. He's a little different, so come in. Come on, Yeti.
Come on, Yeti.
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 Yeah.
Yeti spaghetti.
No way.
Whoa.
My guy.
Yeti.
He's cool.
I don't know how I feel.
I don't know.
Okay.
He's really good at climbing stuff.
Cause I look like money, smell like money, talk like money, even walk like money. Everywhere I go, and everywhere I be, I don't even talk, they still know it's me. Cause I look like